Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add Instagram link in Picsart profile, and now let's dive right in. Now to add your Instagram link in your Picsart profile, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here, which is the profile interface of your Picsart account. And on this interface, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the pen icon available for us just beside the back arrow. Tap on the pen icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you land over here. Now you'll be required to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can say it says Instagram on profile just below the business settings. And on this empty box guys, insert or paste your Instagram profile link over here, whichever may it be. And after that, you can say user may not contain special symbols, so enter your username, Instagram or your profile link, and after that just go back and it will be saved on your Picsart profile as this you can see. And with that being said guys, this is how to add Instagram link in Picsart profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.